Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to sort Bitfinex. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is log into your Bitfinex account. And once you have logged into your account, in order to short on Bitfinex, what you need to do is open up a margin trade. Now in order to open up a margin trade, click on this trading option, and then once you click on it, here you can choose between the options. Just simply select the Bitcoin as it is the popular one, and then select Bitcoin USD. And once you click on it, the next thing what you need to do is transfer some money on your margin wallet. So what you need to do is simply click on this option that says wallets right here. And once you click on wallets here, you can see the quick transfer. Now what you need to do is enter in the amount, and then you need to transfer it to your margin wallet. Select the option from funding to exchange and from exchange to margin, and then click on transfer, and your amount will be transferred. And now once you have transferred your amount, go back to your home page. Now remember that there is a certain percentage for your maintenance for Bitcoin USD, that is 15%, and Bitfinex also provides you 3 times the amount that you have entered. For example, if you have entered in the $100 amount, then the Bitfinex will multiply it into 3.33. That is the feature of the Bitfinex. And once you're done with that, here you can also use the Bitcoin calculator to gauge your profit and losses simply by entering the entry price, exit price, stop price, its value, and so on. And once you're done with that, here what you need to do is go back, and under there you'll see an option that says limit. Select this to limit. If it's in market, then select it to limit. And once you hit limit, what you need to do is enter in the price USD, that is your 10,000, and on the BTC amount, select 1. And once you do that, select margin buy. And on now what you need to do is just simply hold on to your balance and check, and then claim the position when it's on preferable for you. And once you do that, that's basically how to start on Bitfinex. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.